All right, you guys, it's chili season. The weather is cooling down. You need to put something in your belly. So we are going to try today, and spoiler alert, we've already tried this a bunch of times, and it's absolutely freaking fantastic chili recipe, no beans. Now, if you want the internet to explode, you go on YouTube and you talk about if chili has beans or no beans. I personally think a good Texas chili has no beans. Beans have no business in chili. However, there are other people in this household that disagree. But today we're doing chili, no beans, super simple, 2 hours, a couple ingredients. The chili turns out absolutely fantastic. Let's just jump into the ingredients right now. All right, you guys, super simple ingredients right here. A pound of ground beef, a pound of pork, a can of tomato soup, this 10-ounce can of this beef broth. I like this Campbell's brand. A green one, a red one, and one large onion, although my onions are underdeveloped, so I guess we're going to be using a couple. But the absolute star of this show is this SuckleBusters authentic Texas chili seasoning. Now let me see if I can hand model this so good. They sell this, they don't know me. I bought this from their website, SuckleBusters.com. I've seen it on Amazon. I've seen it in like Sportsman's Warehouse and all this sporting goods stores. It's like $5 for this. Okay, no MSG, no bad stuff. It's a medium heat. It's a quick and easy recipe. I'm following their recipe that's on the back of the box here. Like I said, those are the ingredients. We're just gonna brown the meat. We're gonna chop everything. We're gonna simmer this. We're gonna add the packet that's in here. You got the packet of seasoning that's in here. And this stuff is absolutely amazing. It's just a really good company. I like SuckleBusters. I'm a customer of theirs. Maybe one day they'll send me some free stuff to make videos with. Who knows? But this is what we're gonna do, so let's get to chopping. All right, I figured you guys didn't need to watch me chop onion and bell peppers and stuff like that, but this is how it looks like on the in-grain cutting board. Next, what we're gonna do is we're gonna brown the meat in a cast iron skillet. I'll show you that right now, and then we're gonna transfer everything into the Dutch oven. We're gonna bring it to a boil, then we're gonna simmer it for about 2 hours. I like to do 2 hours. The package says 30 minutes to an hour. 2 hours makes it way, way, way better. But before we brown the meat and continue on, I want to thank our top tier channel members. Thank you guys so much. Everybody that's hit the join button next to the subscribe button, and everybody that's checked our links down below. If you guys click on any of those, it really, really helps the channel and our little YouTube hobby. So thank you. Let's get to browning some meat. Using that cast iron skillet, and then I'm going to transfer that into the Dutch oven, and then I'm going to do the whole chili in the Dutch oven. It's just easier than draining it and stuff like that. So that's the setup. All right, I transferred all the meat, the veg, the tomato soup, and the beef broth in here. I'm gonna give this a stir and I'm gonna bring it to a boil. I'm gonna add my seasoning packet from SuckleBusters. We're gonna simmer it for 2 hours and we'll check back. Guess who's home from work?
I'm here, and I came home to the most delicious smelling dinner.
So this has been on now for about 1 hour and 45 minutes. With my damn phone going off in the background. Super professional YouTube video. So we're gonna let it simmer for another little bit, and then you had an idea.
What, to put it in the bread bowls?
Yeah.
Yeah, actually Liv wants them in bread bowls.
So you're gonna do like a sourdough bread bowl,
yes.
Chili, cheese,
onion, sour cream, deliciousness.
Oh yeah. I already told the folks there's a big controversy between beans and no beans.
Yeah, we want beans.
No, we don't.
Yeah.
Nobody likes beans and chili.
We like beans.
No way.
Go beans.
Go beans.
When serving chili, I try to be one with the beans.
Okay, after a long day at work, I'm exhausted, I'm excited for dinner. We've tried this chili before, and it is super yummy. So you can go on the SuckleBusters website and grab it, try it out, you won't regret it. It is delicious. Are you ready?
Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Yeah, babe.
We put it in a bread bowl.
Yeah, you did.
Per the kids' request. A little sour cream, a little chili.
Oh yeah, let me just look. Ooh.
I like onions.
I do not like onions. There's onions in it. I chopped them myself today.
It is so good, you guys. A little spicy. That wasn't from the spice. Little spicy. It's just delicious. I love the sausage and the ground beef. Just have beans.
No. All right, babe. We'll see you on the next one. Bye.